Hi, my name is Sunny Lee and I'm a Managing Director of ESTEX Technologies SDN BHD located in Penang, Malaysia. Golden Bull Award is highly regarded within the industry it represents. Being nominated or winning the award can bring significant recognition and prestige to the organization, enhancing the reputation and credibility. ESTEX Technologies SDN BHD is a leading manufacturer specializing in high precision machining component parts since its establishment in the year of 2009. The company's primary business is to produce a high-quality precision parts for various industries such as automotive, oil and gas, medical, and semiconductors. ESTEX Technologies' commitment is to provide an excellent customer service and products quality that has earned the company a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy partner for its customers worldwide. ESTEX prioritizes customers' satisfaction and understands our customers' needs in order to stay competitive in the market. Our team actively listens to the customers' feedback, conduct market research, and to improve the products and services and overall customer experience. By delivering value and building a strong relationship, ESTEX gains customers' loyalty and attract new business. Well, ESTEX may strive to maintain and enhance its reputation for producing components with the highest level of quality and precision. This could involve implementing quality control process, certification, and continuous improvement initiative to ensure that each product that meets or exceeds our customers' expectation. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvements, achievements, and success have no meaning. Thank you, Golden Bull.